I think bird poop just fell on me. On my finger. I think bird poop just fell on my finger. It was just wet. It was just wet. Ugh. Yep. Oh, it's going slow. I'm just stand cause I just got bird pooped on me. I'm just gonna stand cause I got bird poop on me. Well, not on, but it's wet. Stopping for another train. Yep. Stopping for the other train. That's basically that's coming that way. Well, it's probably going that way. I don't know. Oh boy, this is gonna take a while. Going to stop. Oh God, it just got windy. We see the next train. This is what you have to do now. Deal with it. Had to deal with bird poop. And now have to deal with a second train to go. Why 5 engines? Car owner. I might see if I can go to next to the crossing. Everybody's just watching, probably watching me record this. Oh, it's that car. Tiny car. Primer and ABF. I've never seen that before. But I have now. At Gainesville. Why did it go slow? It's still going. It's probably not wanting to block this traffic. Okay, I see the end. Walmart has returned. Probably car something or my car hit it. And there goes the. Why do you need that? Huh? I'm confused. My God.